Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Engineer Hussein Mwasapi. So in this video, we'll be looking at a quick question in physics under the topic, which is units and measurements. So before we begin, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. All right, without wasting much of our time, let's get to it. All right, so as the question reads, a carpet is to be installed in a room whose length is to be measured to be 13.71 meters and whose width is measured to be 4.46 meters. Now our goal here is to find the area of the room. So that is basically our goal, is to find the area, which is A. So what is the area? And that's what we need. All right, so now let us now analyze the data that we have. So looking at the data that we have, let us understand what we have. Now we have been given the length, which is measured to be 13.71. So we say length is equal to 13.71, and that is in meters. And we also have the width that has been given in question to be 4.46 meters. And since we're looking for the area, all we have to do is to put in mind that from the given data, area is in meters squared. And with that in mind, we need to understand that area is equal to L times W, which is the length times the width. So in this case, for explanation purposes, we'll just say where L is the length and W is practically the width. So having this, we can plug and chug, and we'll have our area being equal to 13.71 being our length by 4.46 being our width. And if we get our calculators, we'll be having area being equivalent to a value of 61.1466. Now, let us put in mind that area is practically the size of a two-dimensional surface. So it's in two dimensions. So we know that the width is in meters, as well as the length is in meters. So meters by meters, we expect to have meter squared. So now if we round this off to three significant figures, we'll be saying that our area, which we need to find, that is of the room, to be 61.1 meter squared. And this is our final answer. All right, so this is basically how you go about solving a question on the units and measurements given in such a condition and such a scenario. All right, thanks for watching. All right, don't forget to strategize before you become a statistic, and try and push for that A+.